Area of right triangles. If we draw a diagonal across the rectangle, what two shapes are created? Clearly, the area of each of the below right triangles is equal to half the area of the rectangle they comprise. Since the area of the rectangle is BH, the area of each right triangle is 1/2 BH. And if I just move these over, I can see that they definitely together make the rectangle. So the area of each individual right triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. For the formula, the base and the height must form a 90-degree angle, which means they are perpendicular to each other. Right triangles all have one 90-degree angle. So when I draw my right triangle, I represent this by drawing a square in the corner to show that that is the right angle. And then I know that this is my base and this is my height. I can write the formulas two ways. I can write area equals base times height divided by 2. Or I can write it this way where I have area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. What is the area of the right triangle below? Our first step is write the formula. Area equals 1/2 times b times h. I substitute in my known values, and in this triangle, I know that my base is 14 units and my height is 4 units. This information is not needed for this problem. So I substitute in, I get 1/2 times 14 times 4, and when I multiply that out, I get 28 units squared. Solve for missing information. A triangle has an area of 70 8/10 centimeters squared and a base of 6 centimeters. Write an equation that relates the area to the base and height, h. Solve the equation to determine the length of the height. So step 1, I write the formula, area equals 1/2 base times height, and then I plug in my known information. My 70 8/10 centimeters squared is my area, so that goes over here on the left. Up here it tells me my base is 6 centimeters, so that will go right here, and it is the h, or the height, that I am trying to solve for. So now I simplify this equation. I know that 1/2 times 6 is really half of 6, which gives me 3. So I have 70.8 equals 3h. In order to solve this, now I divide both sides by 3 by using my inverse operations. 70.8 divided by 3 is 23.6 centimeters equals h, my height.